Sun is so bright. On a bright sunny day, I have an update on the pump house. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead. And wow, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's bright out. But I want to give you guys an update on the pump house. So let's take a look at what we've been doing. So in the last video, we had the framework for the door, but we didn't have anything on the door. This metal siding will be on this too, but I just haven't done it yet. Well, let's take a look. My fancy doorknob. So here's what we've done. You can see that gate kit that I used. You can see part of it right there. So all I did was just slap a piece of OSB on this side, and I did another one on this side. But if you notice, it's kind of how I did it. I put this, I also use spray foam in the middle. So there's some spray foam. But I just wrapped that whole thing all the way around. I don't remember exactly what I showed you, but basically I got 2x3 as my doorstop, and then I put some caulking all the way around. I got it down here as well. Just put some caulking just to make sure water doesn't get in between the seams. And I use that spray foam in here. I kind of, if you guys been following my videos, I fell in love with the spray foam. These are 2x6s. All I did was just put a layer. I really didn't want to go, I kind of, in some corners, some areas, I put a little extra, like over here. I kind of pretty much tried to fill this in. So all I gotta do now is to clean up the edges so I can put this OSB on it. I want to put regular insulation in here, and then put radiant barrier, basically Reflectix, and then I want to put the OSB as my wall, the interior wall. So I just gotta clean it up, all the excess spray. I want to finish taping this, like right up in there. And where else did I have some? Did I finish it? I think I did. So all I got is that little bit up there to do. Oh, and then I want to put some up along there. I want to put some tape up there, like I did this. All I'm doing there by doing that is it just helps cut down on any air that could be flowing in and out. Try to make it as sealed as possible. I got my heater in here. I covered this all up so the spray foam wouldn't get on it. Even covered that guy over there. This is what happens when UV gets to it. It discolors it. See how that's yellow? That up there is more cream. So what I need to do now is start taping up, or not taping, but start insulating all my piping. I gotta insulate it. I'm going to use heat tape, which heat tape will plug into there and heat the pipe. I'll put some of that foil tape on it to protect the PVC, or the PVC and the PEX. And then so just need to foil tape all this. May just replace that there, or I may, this is the heating tape. it won't go all the way around, so I don't think I'll use 2 of them. I think I'll just replace and just try to use 1 of them, because it just goes down to there. So these guys here are just to, what this is this is for me to help prime my system. So if I ever needed to, you know, I can shut it off there, do any repairs, and if I have to prime like the filter and things like that, I can prime it here. This one here, same thing, prime it there. I've shown you all that. About it on this video here. I need to clean up the overspray, put some insulation on, do the pipes. Probably do the pipes first, only because of it's November now. And let me give you an idea of how well this is doing. I showed you the heater earlier. I actually put that in here just in case I would need it. But I got a thermometer in here, and one of the wireless ones so I can see inside. I've gotten down so far this winter as low as 18 degrees, and inside this room with no preheating at all, just the daytime warming it up, I guess, got as low as like 34 degrees. 18, 34, it's maintaining 10-15 degrees above freezing, so, or above the outside temperature. So that tells me that spray foam insulation is working. Also tells me that it's nice and airtight, so you can't, no cold air is getting in. And the heat that builds up during the day, just with the sun beating on it, it's not losing that heat. Well, it is, but it's not losing it very much. So far this is good. It means when I put the solar heater in, that's actually looks pretty favorable. It's just going to be a while before I put it in. So you're going to have to subscribe to check that out. The solar heater is going to be awesome. I'm excited about it. I just got to get some things done first, and I don't have the money to do it just yet. So been a tough year. Guess that's all I want to show you for now. Guys, stay tuned, subscribe, see what else I do to this pump house. See you, bye, have fun.